Morning, 306 Lifestyle. We are back. We are downtown at the Regina Food Market. So today I'm doing a food truck review. So basically the review I'm doing today is Mexican food. And there's a food truck that I talked to them this morning, so we're gonna go there and we're gonna try out their food and see how it tastes. Authentic food in the city of Regina. So let's go. So we are here live at Tropeza. Authentic Mexican food. We're in the kitchen, we're here with the chef, and we're here with the whole team. So basically that's like a sweet drink, and it has strawberries and it has mangoes on top of it.
Well, soy Roberto Flores from El Tropezón. Right now we are going to do chilaquiles, flautas, and some kind of tacos. I'm going to give you a pastor in barbacoa, and you guys will enjoy it.
Okay.
So right now I'm going to cook how you like eggs.
I'll take it authentic style.
Authentic, right on. The food truck, right? We have all fresh, avocado fresh, tomatoes. And these are the flautas.
So what is this called?
Flautas. So it's like taquitos, filled with beef. So it's avocado on it, a little bit of cream. So tasty. So outside you can top it with salsas.
Okay.
And we have a raspado too.
Yeah, it's strawberry. It has condensed milk on top.
And this right here is an authentic Mexican drink.
Yes.
To make your chilaquiles, so these are homemade corn chips. We have spicy salsa that we put on top. And we will top it with a sunny side. Mexican spices like chipotle, anato seeds, cumin, oregano, orange juice, and pineapple.
Yeah.
It's very, very rich. My mouth is melting right now. One taco. And this is barbacoa, so braised beef for 12 hours. So juicy, so good.
So right now I'm gonna go try all those 3 types of Mexican dishes, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. Honestly, I might be the worst food review person because I don't even remember the name to half of these things that the guy was telling me. But anyways, this is the first dish. It has nachos, it has eggs, and it has beef in there. So I'm gonna try that one. Yeah, this one's good. Spicy though. I don't really like eggs that are runny, but I guess it works. The nachos are hard though. They're like homemade nachos. So this is that Mexican drink. Mandarin soda. Yo, this is bad stuff, I'm not gonna lie, this is good. This is real good. So now, I'm gonna try the next one. These are like beef tortillas with avocado, cabbage, and some kind of sauce on it. Let's try this. Oh, this? This one's fire. It kind of tastes like Orange Crush, but a little bit better. That's just my opinion. So now we're gonna try the beef tacos. It has like parsley, and it has taco shell. Homemade taco shell. It said it was marinated like overnight, so it's like nice and soft. And you actually get 2 taco shells in this, so let me try that. Yo, the beef is so soft. I'm not gonna lie, this taco, I think out of all the three foods I've tried, this one's the best one. It's so soft. A little bit salty, but not too salty. So it's good. And then they made me this drink. It has like strawberries and slush and syrup. Try that. Woo! Yo, this thing tastes like syrup. Holy, this is sweet. This is good.